Hey everyone and welcome back. Let's get that filament swapped quickly and correctly in your Bambu Lab AMS. Start by unlocking and opening the AMS cover. You'll see the latches on the sides, press them in and lift the lid. Now access the bay you need. Pull out the old filament spool. Make sure the remaining filament is fully retracted from the internal hub before you remove the spool. Grab your new filament. To ensure the smoothest feed, it's best to snip end of the filament to create a sharp, clean tip. Position the new spool correctly in the base so that it rests securely on the rollers. The filament should be oriented toward the intake hole. Here's the smart part. Simply insert the clean filament tip into the socket. Give it a small push to engage the sensor. The AMS will then automatically grab the filament, pull it into the system, and complete the loading process for you. Close the cover and your AMS is now loaded and ready for your next print. That's the easy process for swapping the filament. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more 3D printing guides. Happy printing!